Hey everybody, it's Luke from Galaxy Tech Review, and today I've got a product from HandFan. This is the HandFan sports bottle. It's a 20-ounce sports bottle with a built-in filter system and a rechargeable fan with 3 speeds as well. So this will go good for any type of activity you may be doing, walking, hiking, yoga, workouts, whatever you're going to be doing. We're going to check this out now, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is everything that you get once you get it out of the box. Of course, you're going to get the HandFan bottle itself. You do get a nice little user guide here that kind of just goes over some of the specs here. It is written in English. The model number on this is HF7 in case you need that. It does go over your battery levels, which I'll show you once we get to the bottle portion and fan portion of this as well. So it is written in English. It's well laid out. You may want to hold on to it for quick reference just in case you need it. Now, next thing you get here is a little carabiner here. You can hook this on to the HandFan bottle if you want to hook this onto like a book bag or a backpack to take with you, depending on whatever you're doing, whatever activity you might be doing. Now, you do get a charge cable with this. This will charge up the battery that's inside the HandFan. The HandFan has a battery that will take about 4 hours to recharge, but it has a working time of anywhere between 5 and 17 hours. You can plug this into any laptop's USB port or PC's USB port, or just use your AC wall adapter to USB adapter. I'm sure you have one laying around. Now, this does have a filter system in it as well. You do get some charcoal-based filters. They do give you some extra ones here. You can see when we pop this off that there is a filter inside here already, and they do give you 3 more as well. So this little piece will pop out. You'll replace the filter with a new one, and away you will go with the filter. So this helps filter your water as well. If you want to do that, you certainly can. If you don't want to use the filter, you can use it without the filter as well. And last but not least, you get an extra straw as well. Let's take a look at the HandFan bottle itself. It's got a locking cap at the top here. This is made out of Tritan, so it's BPA free. You do have a silicone strap here for holding onto it. And then you've got a side mounted nozzle here for drinking. This is a kind of a leak-proof nozzle that they have here, which is really nice. It flips out to the side, and if we unlock the cap at the top, this will show us the actual fan here, so we can unlock this cap. And you have a fan that will tilt up in a varying angles here, as you can see. And it has 3 different speeds on it. There's a little button that you can push. And when we look at the button, there's also some lights on the left-hand side, 25, 50, 75, and 100% to let you know how much battery power you have left. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cycle through the fan speeds so you can hear how loud they are. Okay, so you could hear how loud the fans were in each speed. It does move a lot of air on the 3rd speed, or the highest speed there. Now, a cool thing about this is if I want to set it on, say, speed 1, and I fold it down, it's got a little magnet on the bottom that will register and automatically turn the fan off. And then when I flip it back up, it will remember the speed that I was on and continue for me. So that's actually a really cool feature as well. Overall, it's very durable, easy to wash, take apart, change the parts that you might need to use. Or if you don't even want to use the straw, you can take it out and just use it as a regular sports bottle. And the way that you do that is we'll put this back in, and you can unscrew the entire top cap here with the straw. And what I like is that they give you this flat cap here. So this is an interesting thing as well. This will make it super compact. You will, of course, be foregoing the filtration system and the fan, but this makes it a super compact 20-ounce bottle that you can put in your workout bag or your book bag or backpack and take with you. So I like it. I like this bottle. I like the functions that it has over a regular bottle without a fan. I like the side nozzle on this as well. I think that's nice. It hides away very easily. And then of course the fan itself, if you are walking, hiking, running, doing a workout, yoga, whatever you're doing, you can also take a water break and also have a 3-speed fan that will last quite some time on each charge depending on how high you have the fan setting. You'll get up to about 5 hours on the highest setting and about 17 hours on the lowest setting. Right here is a little flap that I did want to cover. This is where you will recharge it. It is covered by this silicone flap, your USB Type-C port right there for recharging the fan. Overall, this is a very nice water bottle. If you're an active person, you're doing a lot of things, you live in a climate that is maybe super hot, or you're just a person that sweats a lot when you're working out, or you just need the coolness of a fan combined with a water bottle. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. I hope you enjoyed my review, and I'll check you guys out on the next one.